Hey, what's up, forex traders? Welcome back here. This is the early hours of the London session, and I've just made some money. I've just hit take profit right here on my trade, myself and my community, guys. I'm going to go into my screen right now, and then I will show you every single step we took before we had that positive trade. This lesson is to help you do the same thing next time when you see the market. Now, one question I've received from a lot of you guys is whether an intraday trader makes money in the market or not. Now, we're going to find out once I go to my screen, because I've been an intraday trader for a long time and I have been profitable using just a single session of the day, and sometimes maybe 2 sessions of the day to trade. I trade mostly the London session and sometimes the New York session, depending on the opportunity I have to trade. Let's go to my screen right now and I will show you what will help you a lot. Come here with me, guys. Let's go there. All right, traders. So right here is my screen. Now, this trade actually played out and it didn't start from here. Just for me to prove to you that, I will go to my private Telegram community where my premium guys are right here. This was it. I said sell signal on Euro USD. Just this morning hours of London session. This was, I started taking the trade here and then I shared with them so all of them can be in it. You can check to see how active it was. Let me go through that, please. All right, this was it. Oh, that was a congratulatory message. All right. Good morning, sir. Are you already in? I said, yes, sir, I'm in the trade. So all of them that were active, got to join it. And then congratulations to those who were in the trade. Now, prior to this trade, for the last 2 days, we've taken good trades, but then our risk to reward was so much that if we get like 1:2 or 1:3 before reaching TP, price comes back and remove us at break even. But this day, we get it correctly, and our target was just right here, this draw on liquidity. So let me go into the analysis properly so you can see. So the first thing we did as a professional traders, we want to make sure that our minds are clear and we are in the right state for trading. Now, if you're coming with a baggage of yesterday's losses and you want to come and trade to do revenge trading, you may make some mistakes and you may be taking the trade based on your emotional impulse. And that is why I always tell people to ensure that they are in the right state of mind to take trades. So that was the first thing I did. I had my personal devotion, or if you meditate, you can meditate. This is the morning hours. And then I came right to my screen, checking the Forex Factory calendar to know what exact news release do we have on that day, and then what time is it. So I checked and I discovered that USD has news, but that's going to be in the New York session. This is the London session. I checked and said, all right, we can take advantage of what we have right here in the morning before the New York session, which normally comes in the afternoon London time. All right. So right here was when I saw the trade. I saw the setup, but I wanted to make sure that that was correct. So I decided to check DXY. Those of you who don't know what DXY is the dollar index. And because I'm trading dollar paired currency, Euro USD, GBP USD, any of the dollar paired currency, I need the United States dollar index to help me get the correct directional bias. So whatever the United States dollar index is doing, you will find the opposite happening right here on Euro USD, because the United States dollar is simply the indices, and indices is basically like the instrument that is directly pegged into the United States dollar. So whatever the United States dollar is doing, you will see the reflection on the dollar index. So when I decided to go to DXY, which is the dollar index on TradingView, I saw this. All right, let me do it correctly. I went to the 1 hour time frame, and I saw this price action trying to push up. What happened was that you see this new day opening gap. Some of you don't know what new day opening gap is. Is this jump you see, boom, as the new day starts, this happens. And this is because of the different price action happening across different financial markets. So this happens as the day opens, boom, to just meet up with the current price action in the dollar. So normally price doesn't leave this untraded, so it finally closes it completely. Notice how price closed this new day opening gap. It is called NDOC. All right, NDOC. I learned this from ICT. That is Michael J. Hudson. All right. I learned this from Michael J. Hudson. So boom, price went up there. And what price will do is that it doesn't leave this guy. It doesn't leave it untraded. It is an anomaly for price to leave this guy untraded. So it will first of all close it before it continue in the direction it wants to go to. So look at this. Notice how this week closed completely this entire gap, and boom, when I saw this candlestick printing after closing, I saw that price was almost ready to go up. All right, price was almost ready to go up because I saw this break of structure or shifting structure to the upside, leaving this bullish breaker block. That was the same thing I saw on Euro USD. All right, it was the same thing I saw on Euro USD. Nothing special. I try to keep my strategy so simple and straightforward. The more easy and simple it is for you, the more rational it will be for you to take trades. Some of you want to see some complicated stuff right here before you know I am a professional trader. No, it doesn't work that way. The more easy it is for you, the more profitable it will be for you. And that is what these guys are getting from this community. I try as much as possible. You know, some of them have made good money. You see, some of them are sending their trade results. You see, TP hit already $10, made somebody 600, somebody 18, depending on what they are getting. It's not only signals I share with them, because I'm trying to raise an army, not just people trading to look for signals. No, that is not trading. I teach them the right thing so that they can do it by themselves also. And then intermittently, more often, I share maybe one signal in a day with them so they can take advantage of it. All right, so that is what I do. Even with one trade in a day, you would be very much okay. It's not on how aggressive you are in the market. It is on how consistent you are in the market. All right, so this was it. I came right here. Look at this. I saw the Asian box. Now, a lot of things are here. The power of three concept, the Asian box. You see this box is an indicator called the Asian range kill zones. You will find it on TradingView. Just search for Asian range and kill zones. This particular one, this one, you will see NSR group. So that is the one I'm using. So it just delineates the Asian trading session for me. This is the lowest point Asia went to. This is the highest point Asia went to. And because liquidity is a very, very important thing for the market, it is basically the fuel or the life of the market. Price will always look for liquidity. So if you sweep liquidity above here, that means price wants to do some manipulation, because this is considered as a range. So this is a manipulation and it will distribute in the opposite side. So it does exactly that. That is how the algorithm is designed. It takes out the high or the low. If I were to take the low of Asia first, I will expect price to trade up here first. But since I am taking the high of Asia, the liquidity, what is liquidity? In simple word, it is money. It is money potentially resting there. And all the buy stops that people have right here is called the liquidity. So what do you think price would do? It would target that money. And that is exactly what it did. It collects the money. Now it's taking it down here. All right. So that's basically what it did. So if I go to the 5-minute time frame, let me show you how the entry came in. Now, I'm not so sure that price will start going lower right away. And that is what you should know. Understanding where price will start going lower is very pertinent. Look at this. Anytime you see a shift in market structure, as price is moving in a particular direction, it simply means that that directional movement will have difficulty in continuation. So this is it. Price pushed up, retracement right here, down to this area, and I saw this shifting structure. All right, I saw that exact point the shifting structure came in. You see 1, 2, 3 candles printing downward. So that was the market structure shift. Do you know what this is called? When you see a low and a fair value gap, do you know what it is called? Let me show you. Do you know what it is called? It is called a unicorn entry model, or what ICT called the IOFED, institutional order flow entry drill. That is a very big one. You see, when you have this low, it forms a breaker, it has a fair value gap. It is called an institutional order flow entry drill. IOFED. That is what ICT calls. All right. I studied ICT so much. So, but you also call it unicorn entry. So the confluence of this low, which is also a bearish breaker, and this fair value gap, the tip of that fair value gap. You see, notice how price was so precise with touching just the tip of that fair value gap, and boom. And that was when I shared the signal with them. All right, so this is the channel where I share only my post so they will not get confused. I said, guys, this is the sell signal. I did it without fear because I know this is something I've done time and again and again and again and again. Some of you will testify to that. All right, so if you want to see something like this time and again from me, you don't need to pay me to learn this. You don't need to pay me, except if you want to be close to me for mentorship and all those stuff. Those of you who want close, monitoring, you come close to me and you get into the community. I show you what to do rightly. You're struggling with emotion and I will show you how to do correctly. You don't need to pay me. All the videos on my YouTube channel will help you do that. All the videos on my, especially those of you who are very, very articulate, you can use the videos on my channel. But if those of you who, you need somebody close to you, you want to see, because in the community we do have Zoom classes 3 times in a day and live chat analysis and live trades. We have signals and all those stuff. And trust me, you know what I'm capable of giving. So those are the ones that, join the community, and quite okay. Some of them are doing absolutely great. A lot of testimonies are coming, from them. So that was the trade, guys. Basically, nothing more, nothing less. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video. Thank you.